Hello everyone, welcome to this Postman tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn what are environments and how to set up them in the Postman. So let's begin. What are environments? Environments are basically a multiple host or servers on which your application or APIs are deployed. For instance, your application or APIs are deployed on 3 servers and you are calling them as a QA, staging and pre-production. Now in this particular case, we call them as environments. In Postman, the problem is that when you execute a API, you have to provide the base URL. But when you are working in the multiple environments, their host, location, or the base URL will be different. So how you tackle these things in the Postman? Postman provides a way to create multiple environments and use them as per your requirement. Now open the Postman and see how we can create the environments on the Postman. There are multiple ways to create an environment on the Postman. If you are using a launchpad, you can just click on create an environment and you can create environment from here. You can also create an environment from this button. Just click on that one, click on add, and you can provide the environment details from here. Another way to create environment in the Postman is to click on new, click on environment, and you can create the environment from this screen as well. Lastly, there is another way to create an environment. Just click on the file, click new, and click environment. So these are the multiple ways to create environment in the Postman. In our last session, we created a collections of a project. Now assume that these APIs are hosted on the multiple environments, just like QA, pre-prod, or staging. Now let's see how we can create environments for that particular project. Just click on this one, click on add, just provide our environment name here. So I'm calling the first environment as QA. We will provide a variable name and give the value of that particular base URL or environment to this particular variable. Just click on it. I'm calling it as a base URL and I'm giving it a initial value of api.qa.com. If you click on the tab, it will set as the same value for the current value. Now what is the difference between initial value and the current value? So let's suppose if you want to share this collection or environment with your client, with your team, then in that particular case, the initial value will be sent in the collection. The current value represents the local value of your Postman. So now why you need to set the initial and current value? For example, there's some kind of private data which you don't want to share with other team members or the client, then in that particular case, you will set the initial and the current value. If there's no need to hide any data from the team members or from the client, in that particular case, both values will be the same. Just click on add. You have successfully added a one QA environment here. Click add. Now add the pre-prod. Again, I'm calling it as base URL and value should be api.preprod.com. Now tab this one and it will automatically populate the value here. Click add. Now let's set up the staging environment, but before that we need a exact URL which is in the working condition right now. So I'm taking that URL from this project. Just click on this API and I'm copying this one. Now go back to this one, click add. I'm calling this environment as staging. Variable is base URL. Initial value is this one. And if you click on the tab, it will populate the value again. Just click on add. Now close this one. Now you have successfully set up the environments in the Postman. Now let's see that how we use these environments with our APIs. Just click on this drop down. You see that your environments are available here. Now how to use these environments? Just click this part here, provide double curly braces, close these double curly braces and provide the variable name here. Now you have successfully called that variable here. Just go back to the environments, select the environment you want to use. Let's suppose I have to use the pre-prod. Just click on pre-prod. Now hover this one. Now you will see the value of that particular environment. Just click on this one, click on QA, and you will see now a different value, different base URL. That's how you can manage the environments on the Postman. Furthermore, if you want to see what environment or environment variables you have defined, just click on this I button. You can see this one. You can change from here. Just click on preprod, just click on I again. Now it will show about the preprod here. Now let's suppose if you want to manage these environments, just click on this button, and from this screen you can manage those environments. If you want to share this environment, just click on share. If you want to make a duplicate of this environment, just click on this button. It will make a duplicate of that one. You can also download this environment variables. Furthermore, if you want to manage the roles, you can manage the role. You can remove these environments from the workspace, or you can even delete these environments from here. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next lecture.